BGM, bitch. Hey. Hey. It feel good, don't it?
Bring it down.
Yeah.
Setback.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. It feel good, don't it? When you bounce back from a setback, you got on new kicks, tell them step back. It feel good, don't it? And when they don't know what you're doing, the haters don't know how a nigga move. It feel good, don't it? When you got a pocket full of money and you know a nigga can't take nothing from you. It feel good, don't it? When you don't give a fuck what it's costing. Check out how a young nigga soft. It feel good, don't it? I'm a made man, so a nigga boss. I should've been a dentist the way a nigga floss. You know I'm a baller the way I'm Randy Moss. And a nigga clean like I jump out of a coffin. And what the fuck you mean I got the green to keep it coughing? And what the fuck you thought I got the sauce to keep it stalking? I paid the cost to be the boss, is why these haters talking. And your bitch gon' get tossed if she don't keep it walking. Oh, vegan ass haters won't beef, nigga. Fuck around and see me in the street, nigga. They be knowing I'm cold, but won't heat, nigga. If you a hater, keep that discreet, nigga. Pull out of A-Rod and kiss this fleet flicker. I got an extended clip with a heat seeker. And I call that bitch Nina, tell me have you seen her? She look good by my side, stay fleet, nigga. When you bounce back from a setback, you got on new kicks, tell them step back. It feel good, don't it? And when they don't know what you're doing, the haters don't know how a nigga move. It feel good, don't it? When you got a pocket full of money and you know a nigga can't take nothing from you. It feel good, don't it? When you don't give a fuck what it's costing. Check out how a young nigga soft. It feel good, don't it? Knowing damn well that you that guy. Middle finger to the haters when you pass by. See these niggas envy you when you that fly. Nigga want my place but you can die try. Tell me why you wanna make your mama cry. Or how the fuck you go to war with no supply. I'm a real nigga, you can see it in my eye. And all my real niggas with me, they be down to ride. I pull up in my phone and watch me flex on it. If you niggas playing games, I call it tech on it. When you bitches say my name, put some respect on it. Even when I did some time, I had the deck, homie. Bitch, you know I'm the man every time I come around. Nigga, I want 10 for everything I'm touching now. Ain't no rich homie, but she get passed around. All this sauce on me, you coming right down. When you bounce back from a setback, you got on new kicks, tell them step back. It feel good, don't it? And when they don't know what you're doing, the haters don't know how a nigga move. It feel good, don't it? When you got a pocket full of money and you know a nigga can't take nothing from you. It feel good, don't it? When you don't give a fuck what it's costing. Check out how a young nigga soft. It feel good, don't it? When you bounce back from a setback, you got on new kicks, tell them step back. It feel good, don't it? When they don't know what you're doing, the haters don't know how a nigga move. It feel good, don't it? When you got a pocket full of money and you know a nigga can't take nothing from you. It feel good, don't it? When you don't give a fuck what it's costing. Check out how
This is Eclectic.
We gon' ball out till we fall out, baby. Go ahead and hate me. I make money, know this cash don't make me. Everything is gravy. It's big posting time. I put in overtime. It ain't nothing to a trapper indeed. Always go for mines. Always tote the nine. Bustin' moves with cocaine or weed. Always go for mines. Always tote the nine. Bustin' moves with cocaine or weed. Get at me, dawg. Now who you know all like I be ballin', big money fallin', suited like I'm in the coffin. You don't do this too often. I triple up while you watch me go get it. I stay out solo, slinging palms of that dodo while you talking to the popo. No haters on, I stay alone. Just play this song, quick as reggaeton. Bitch nigga, you won't make it home. So serious, cause these haters be curious till I'm furious. They on their period, and I'm swinging, cause I ain't hearing it. Gotta be my drama, ready for whatever, not no robot. Big pictures how you go about it. Make sure nobody. We ballin' like the Globetrotters with passion the game. We some killers, shoot at your throat, nigga, with accurate aim. The money flowing and you mad cause you ain't stacking the same. But use your head to catch a hop to the back of your brain. You whack and you lame, get wet some more right after it rain. That I got what stacks until the fact that remains. We still ballin', nigga. We gon' ball out till we fall out, baby. Go ahead and hate me. I make money, know this cash don't make me. Everything is gravy. It's big posting time. I put in overtime. It ain't nothing to a trapper indeed. Always go for mines. Always tote the nine. Bustin' moves with cocaine or weed. Always go for mines. Always tote the nine. when your flesh been. Drinking GNC your dreams when my dating spin. From the beginning, G stood firm in. Holding Glocks, robbing spots with the shit thin. Red dot, one up top, make your shit bend. Red chop, big rocks, make your bitch grin. Smoking on some Cali, buying bitches valley. Flossing at the floor season, drop in breezing. Wrist below zero, got a nigga sneezing. See your man reaching, get his ass creased in. Like his shirt, see that 5 when that 9 jerk. Get his ass dumped down like a cushion pound. Now that nigga skip town with 100 thou. Bulletproof vest, Glock in a semi-tech. Land in the hotel with a thick bitch. Thinking about another way I can get rich. Put the bitch on the strip, make the cash flip. Like a dope sack or a pound of smack. Don't talk back, get your ass smacked. Then your pocket's empty right after that. Big black Benz, big black strap. Big black nigga, I'm back, Jack.
Can't tell a nigga like me about being broke. Mama and daddy ain't had nothing, we was poor. One bedroom apartment, we was sleeping on the floor. My OG from Parkline introduced me to some dope. Got played a couple times, nigga got me with some soap. Till I ran into a Migo that can get it off the boat. Left the microwave alone and started cooking on the stove. Trap house got hot, so I had to hit the road. Old poly ass niggas trying to stop me from my goals. In love with fast money, I don't like making it slow. And when it come to getting bread, fuck a slice, I want a loaf. And since I had less, it's only right I do the most. 2019, I'm trying to hop up by the ghost. Bricks to that gate, come and get it for the low. Still sticking to the code, yeah, bros over hoes. If I ain't doing a show, I'm somewhere dropping off a load. All that ice in the A's got a young nigga froze. BGM, baby, well known around the globe. Trying to stay up out the way, cause everybody got a bowl. Like them niggas down south, I just told me up a fold. Ballin' on these niggas, I'm the healthy Derrick Rose. Designer clothes, remember wearing Reeboks with the bows. Simon said, nigga, what the coach say, gold. Now tell him I want 15 G's for a show. Yay, I had the ice to yay. I dumped a brick today. Yay, came up off the yay. This ain't microwave. Draco or the K. Just know the streets ain't safe. Stay about the way. Get about the way. By the way, all the streets ain't safe. Y'all know how to surf. I can't ride you niggas way. There ain't nothing real about them. Most of these niggas fraud. You ain't built for these streets. You better go get you a job. Came a long way from round in the south. I ain't want the bitch pussy. I just let her suck my dog. Just brought that Benz truck, complimentary of the mall. I ain't scared of nobody. Only man I feel is God. They can't see me like a nigga camouflage. Been working so hard, stop at the spot for a massage. House by the lake with the 5-car garage. 2 bitches having me a little menage. I cannot fuck with you if you ain't squad. We copping soft and then turning it hard. Shout out my boys doing time on that yard. Fuck the police, they be making life hard. Keep that shit real when you mention me. See me dripping in Gucci or Louis V. Bitch feel on the breaker like who is he? Cause I have up the change like I'm Mr. C.
Alright then, CJ. Be easy, bro. Yes, sir.
VVS is on my wrist shining, call them water rocks. GEO Mercedes candy red like a cherry pop. Me, I like a old school candy frame, date wires plus Pirelli tires. Slim nigga, but my pocket's water. Never know another nigga rapping that's hot like me. Closest niggas to these bars locked in penitentiary. Me, I do this shit for the hood, never get it twisted. Not no magician, but for money you can come up missing. Missing like my roof, also missing like your truth. With J Stacks in the booth, niggas missing like they too. No, we ain't talking cars, no my nigga, know I had a lot. Chevy game on lock, pressing buttons in the drop. Boy, I hurt your feelings, pedal to the floor. Give me more engine roar. Niggas never seen these type of vehicles. Remove the ceiling on the top, now make them watch. 30 pointers in my watch, my rims doing the wop. Sometime I ride tints on the window so they can't see me. Juicy, breezy, ready to die, we bumping Biggie. Reminiscing with Pocket Suge, Joe's Rolls Royces. You can't see me, that's all I'm hearing, this final voice. Mercedes Benz, BMW, Jaguar, Range Rover, Chevy Box, Cutlass drops, Buick tops, it never stops. Mercedes Benz, BMW, Jaguar, Range Rover, Chevy Box, Cutlass drops, Buick tops, it never stops. Sitting in my first Benz, easy kinda shell shock. Staring at my wristwatches, 10 carats in my clock. Hit the gas pedal, hear the horses, watch your eyes get wide. Scissor door, blood red Mercedes, call it suicide. People wonder how I had so many cars before my deal. In my pocket, blue steel, crime due, pay the bills. Take the wheel, mashing pills, rims spin like Ferris. John Doe's on the 500, that'll get you killed. Not physically, but mentally, they talking in the streets. Yeah, that Jag clean, peep the rims, man, they hella cheap. Dropping hot cash on the car, I done it twice. Plus, let a pretty bitch blow on my crap dice. The rim shop, I'm cashing out 100 C notes. The way I cancel, bitch, my niggas call me Nino. I had Davis and Shanties and DUBs, nigga. Sleep on me, I'm bringing nightmares to dreams, nigga. Rolling in my shit, the haters mad, looking pissed. Rocks on my wrist, blue hundreds in my fist. Excuse me, I'm cashing out, little late. Blue lights, foreign whip, that's Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Jaguar.
Sauce dripping on my shoes. Kicking flavor kung fu. Shorty with it, yeah, she like my appearance. She just don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm the type to get it poppin'. It's Christmas the way that I'm stocking. They know they can't stop it. Shorty not one of my options. My bitch is the green card her goblin. Got hundreds, they ballin'. I act the ass, yeah, I'm stiff on them. Empty the clip, then I dip on them. Grab the pack and make a flip on them. She sucking dick, I don't kiss on them. Ay, ay, ay. She do her thing, I don't trip on her. Ay, ay, ay. I let her be free, ain't no grip on her. The money talking, she got lips on it. Now drop the hook, let's make a hit on it. Don't drop the hook, let's make a hit on it. Yeah, we lit on it. Okay, on the money, make it move. I ain't got time for me to lose, no. I stay posted with the tool, the chopper, strip you naked like a nude, yeah. Sauce dripping on my shoes, I'm kicking flavor kung fu, yeah. Shorty with it, yeah, she like my appearance, she just don't know what to do, yeah.
Big bitches fucking for a profit, bank rolls keep coming out my pockets. I'ma always keep a rocket. Had the hustle, ain't had no more options. She suck dick, so I took that bitch shopping. Gucci, Louis, one of the options. The city looking, yeah, they watching. For the love of the money, they oppin'. I'ma show you how to chase it check. Talk to me out of law, no disrespect. She fuck with you, but I'm up next. I walk around with a big check. Moving no pounds with a big vest. You lose your life tryna shoot back. I hustle hard, so I know how to get back. Watch out, this won't fight with me, gotta kick back.
On the money, make it move. I ain't got time for me to lose, no. I stay posted with the tool, the chopper, strip you naked like a nude, yeah. Sauce dripping on my shoes, I'm kicking flavor kung fu, yeah. Shorty with it, yeah, she like my appearance, she just don't know what to do.
Hop on the topic, be prepared for the options. Hot and ready out the pocket, plug want me to socket. Let me tell you why I'm cocky, they left me out there fucking knocking. Got me in range, I'm lit. They all out the picture tryna see how I get my frame so sick. Ice wrapped around my nose, got that Kurt Angle grip. I don't need no fame from this, I came from the strangest lip. Watch where you aim, little bitch, you missing your chance to get rich. We got all kind of swishes, penny paper can't find a pencil. What you do if the lotto hit you? Ain't got time for riddles, this crazy life got auto fixes. You ain't special, boy, they auto pictures. Only talking cold, nigga, then hop in mode, nigga. I strike up hard.